I was told you want to see me. Hope there is no problem.
No, ma, there's no problem.
Okay. Just go ahead. I'm listening.
Okay, ma. So I've been following you on YouTube. I'm one of your fans. I love the videos you are putting out, but I want to start my own YouTube channel, and I want to know how YouTube works, how they pay, how the payment is, how I can be successful on YouTube. I want to know how people make money on YouTube. So that is why I came.
Okay. So I got your question. Like, you want to start YouTube, you want me to advise you, like beginner's advice. I should give it to you, and I should also let you know how YouTube payment is. First of all, I'll be looking at you and also looking at my screen, because I'm going to post this video online so that other people can learn from it. Now, first of all, if you are just starting YouTube, just remove your mind from money first. That is the advice I will give to anybody that is about starting YouTube. Just remove your mind, like, I want to make money on YouTube, that's how I want to start. Remove your mind from that money aspect and start creating content. Remove your mind from money. You understand? Please remove your mind from money aspect first. As time goes on, the money will come. Just keep doing what you want to do, because I have come to realize that is one mistake that most YouTubers make, and that is why you see so many YouTube channels abandoned. Like, a lot of people have abandoned their YouTube channel today because they are like, I want to start YouTube, and then they post one video, they are seeing 19 views in 1 week. They post again, they are seeing 20 views in 3 weeks. They post again, they are seeing 50 views in 3 months. Like, they'll be like, so is this one the YouTube they are talking about? Before you know it, they will say they are not doing again. Do you understand? So I like the fact that you want to know more about how YouTube pays. Don't worry, I will tell you, it's good you know. But the advice I'm just giving to you now, please take it. Remove your mind from, like, the money. YouTube, another name for YouTube is patience. Yes, because you will think when you start, before you know it, you'll be monetized. It works for some people, please don't get me wrong. It works for some people, but only a few. Sometimes you need to put in the work for 1 year, sometimes 2 years, before you'll be able to cash out. You understand? So just remove your mind from that. I want to make money first. What you need to do is make sure that what you want to post is something that people want to watch. Don't just post something because everybody is doing it. I want to do it. Ask yourself, are people interested in this? Is this what people want to watch? Do people want to know this? Do you understand? Ask yourself. Now, for anybody that wants to start their YouTube channel, I always advise them to create time for it. If you want to be successful on YouTube, you have to create time for it. Don't be like that creator that when they shake your channel, you started YouTube 6 months ago, but when they shake your channel, they're just seeing 3 videos. Don't be like that creator. Create time for it. Whatever is worth doing is worth doing well. Create time for it. There is no way I will discourage anybody from starting their YouTube channel. Are you listening to me? There is no way I will discourage anybody. Anybody that wants to start their YouTube channel, I always encourage them. And I have my reasons for encouraging them. And I will tell you why. You want to be a YouTuber. Are you ready to work for it?
Yes, I'm ready.
If your answer is yes, then I want to tell you congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
All you need to do is be consistent. Do the right thing. Be open to learning. Be open to learning. Don't remain in one particular. Look for people that are in the same niche with you. Whatever it is that you are posting, look for people that are also in that same niche and learn from each other. Don't say, oh, I'm not a YouTuber. Like, for example, my channel is all about teaching people how to have a successful YouTube channel, teaching people how to edit, and then because I'm teaching people, I don't want to learn. No, for me to be successful on YouTube, I need to learn. Every day I keep learning. That is how you become a successful YouTuber. And above all, trust God. Just believe God for your journey. Just put it into the hands of God and ask God to take charge. Do you understand?
Yes.
On your own, you cannot do it. But with God, all things are possible. That is one thing I always tell myself. Even sometimes when I'm not seeing the views, I I'm like, is it that YouTube doesn't love me? I always ask myself that question. But then again, I'll be like, some people started this YouTube journey 13 years ago.
Yeah, that's true.
6 years ago, 5 years ago. I just started. So why the rush? So I'll keep doing what I'm doing. And one thing I keep praying for is that the right audience, that is those that really want to learn, that are interested in the kind of content I put out, they should locate me. They should locate my channel. That is what I normally tell myself. So YouTube is good. In case you are watching this video and you are still contemplating if you should start YouTube, please start. It will change your life in some aspects. If you are the type that is shy, you are very, very shy, trust me, when you start YouTube, your shyness will reduce. I'm telling you. So just start. Do you understand what I'm saying? Start. You came here for advice and I have been able to give you some advice now. And another thing I would like to add to it is this. Please look for a niche. I know some people will tell you on YouTube that niche does not matter. Please, it matters. Don't let your channel to be scattered.
Okay, ma.
Please don't scatter your channel, because you can make hair, you can sew, you can bake, and you are not doing everything on one channel. Your channel will be scattered. I'm telling you. So there is no a crime if you have 2 YouTube channels. There are people that have 4. In fact, I know a guy on YouTube that has 5 YouTube channels. So it depends on you, the one you know you can handle. If you can handle just one, please just continue with that one. If it's 2 you can handle, continue with it. Don't listen to anybody that will tell you YouTube this, YouTube that, you can post anything you want to post, is your channel. Please, it's a wrong advice. If you notice, my channel is all about becoming a great YouTuber, tips to help you grow, how to edit. If you look at it, they are all related topics. Do you understand?
Yes.
They are all related. So that is what I also want you to put into consideration. Make sure your topics are related. Allow your topics to be related. Whatever you are doing, if it's lifestyle, you can be cooking and you show it to your audience. You can be going to the market and you show it to your audience, because it's a lifestyle video. You can go to the market to buy clothes and you show it to your audience. But not this my channel now. I'm teaching you people how to edit, how to have a successful YouTube channel, and then tomorrow you will see me cooking beans. Then before you know it, normally I can make my hair myself. There are some styles I can do myself. Like, you will love it. You will think somebody made it for me, but I made it myself. Now, because I can make my hair myself, before you know it, I will now sit down and be showing you people how I make my hair, and I will not be doing random stuff on my channel. Before you know it, the life of this channel will change. So what am I trying to say? If now that you have decided to start a YouTube channel, please start.
Okay, ma.
Do you hear me? Start.
Thank you. Yes, my head is.
When you start, that channel that you are, explore it.
Okay, ma.
Explore the channel.
Okay, ma.
Explore that channel. Don't just remain in one place. Do you understand? Yes, maybe once in a while you can do something like a day in my life, so that people will know how your day is going. Do you understand? But I know of somebody that she also does this same channel. She's in the same niche with me, so she also does all this. No, she doesn't do how to edit. She only does a topic on how to grow a YouTube channel, how to have a successful YouTube channel. So once in a while, she will come up with video like a day in my life, spend the day with me. Once in a while. So don't allow your channel to be scattered. I hope you understand the point I just gave you. Don't scatter your channel for any reason. Please. I hope you understand. Don't scatter your channel for any reason.
I appreciate
it. Just be focused on your topic and explore it. I know the excuse that people are giving, that if you focus on one topic, you are limiting yourself. You are doing this, you are doing that. Please, it's not true. You can explore one particular topic. You can explore one topic. And people will be like, she's in one niche, but see the way she's dropping videos. The videos not a finish. Do you understand? So that is what I want you to put into consideration.
Thank you so much, ma.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
So, and the last thing I'll be talking about is how YouTube pays. So for you to actually get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 365 days. That is if you are posting long form videos. But if you are posting shorts, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in 90 days. So most people don't bother for that short. They just focus on long form videos like the one I'm doing now. You understand? So yes, ma. That is it. When you start your YouTube channel, you should focus on getting your subscribers and your watch hour. The mistake that most new YouTubers normally make is that they think when you have plenty subscribers, it means that your channel is successful. It's not true. Actually, you actually need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. Do you understand?
Wow.
So after that 1,000 subscribers, that is when you will know that it's not by subscribers. Somebody can have 1 million subscribers and another person can have 500,000 subscribers, and the person with that lower number will be earning more than the other person. Why? Because the people that the other one has, like the subscribers on that first channel.
Wow, I never knew it happens like that. So.
Do you know why? The reason is because the subscribers on that channel that has 500,000 subscribers, they are more active than the one that has 1 million. Do you understand? So that is how it works. You actually need that 1,000 subscribers to get monetized, but after that, what next? Are people still watching your videos? Are you getting views?
Yeah.
When it comes to YouTube, views is what matters. Are people engaging in your videos? Are people watching the advertisements on your videos? Are people liking your video? That is what matters. So let's just go straight to how YouTube pays, how you make money on YouTube, the different ways you can make money. So there are actually about 4 different ways you can make money on YouTube. First one, which is the most popular one that everybody, I need to write this down. AdSense. AdSense is the first one that everybody makes money through AdSense. If you are monetized, that is the first one. So you welcome into the YouTube partner program, and then you start cashing out. And what does that mean? Advertisers will start placing ads on your video. The more people watch that advertisement, the more you make money, and at the end of the day, whatever revenue you are able to gather from that money, then YouTube will take 45% of the money and then they will give you 55%. So that is how it works.
Okay.
And another thing is you have to reach the minimum of $100 for you to be able to withdraw from the account. So if you have $99, you cannot withdraw that money. It must be $100 really? Every month. So if it's not up to $100, it will roll over to the following month. Do you understand? So that is how it works. Then another way you can make money on YouTube is by shopping. Now some people, they have business that they do, so they just, like, if you share some people's channel now, you see some people that sell clothes, they can just do something like that and post, and they will tell their viewers to buy. So that one is what they call shopping. Do you understand? So when you pay, you will get the item like that. So another way you can also make money on YouTube is by super thanks. I think there's one they call super chat. So super thanks is like or maybe when you go on live on YouTube now, then your viewers can start sending you money. And even on a long form video like this, I did being monetized already. So when you just check this channel, you will see something like love something. When you click on it, you'll be able to send me money. So that is how it works. That is another way you can also make money on YouTube. Okay, ma. Thank you. I'll be talking. Do you have any question at all? If you have any question, please let me know.
No, I don't have any question for now.
So the last way you can also make money on YouTube is by membership. Now, when I talk about membership, there is this stage you will get on YouTube. You'll be able to have membership on your channel, whereby people will join. Your viewers that are interested, they will join. That membership is like you are giving them exclusive videos that people are not seeing on your channel, but it's only those members that are seeing it. You create special video for them, so when they watch it, you are able to get money from them. Do you understand? Like, it will look as if they are subscribing to you again. Like when they subscribe with money, you now give them videos, something like that. So those are the ways, but the common one is AdSense. You just post a video, advertisement is playing on the video, people are watching that advertisement and you are getting money, because all those advertisers, they actually pay YouTube money and say, take this money, place this advertisement on people's video, and when they place that advertisement, the more the viewers watch that advertisement, the more the money is increasing. So that is how it works. I hope I've been able to answer a lot.
I really appreciate, ma. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. In fact, I've learned a lot of joy when it comes to teaching people and telling people what I know. I find so much joy in it. It's only when I don't know that thing, and it will pay me. If I don't know that thing and you're asking me to pay me, so I really appreciate you for the courage for coming to me to ask questions. I appreciate.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate, ma. Thank you so much. Appreciate
Okay
it.
guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you watched to this time, I want to say thank you so much for watching to the very end. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to this channel.
Subscribing is free. You don't
It's
need to
free.
pay money for it. Please subscribe,
Please support her
like
by
this video and share.
subscribing.
I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.